guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with La Mer and luxury skincare and fashion. So if you're new here, subscribe below if you want updates and reviews on luxury skincare. And today's video is going to be about the La Mer Lip Gloss right here. You guys, I've had this for a minute. I'm actually running really low. Here is like you can see. But I wanted to do, like, you guys are probably like, what is she doing a review on a lip gloss for? But let me tell you something. This lip gloss is $85, okay? Like, that's a lot of money for just, like, you know what I mean? That's a lot of money for this. So that's why I'm doing a review, so people can know what the heck is going on with it and is it worth it and so on and so forth. So this lip gloss is like a pink sheen, and if you know me really well, you'll know like I am a sucker for pink lipsticks, pink lip glosses. Just like I'm so extra with it that I just love pink lips and I just don't care. Can I tell you guys something? When I'm going off subject, but you know what? Like, it's just so funny to think back on this. I used to wear like metallic pink lips every single day to school. It was like that NYC, oh God, that you get from the drugstore. And it was like, I just loved it. Like, I loved pink lips, and like my cousins would all make fun of me. They'd be like, Morgan, like, you wear metallic pink lips. Like, what are you doing? And like, I just never cared. And to this day, here I am, baby. Pink lips, like magenta, dark pinks, light pinks. Yeah, sometimes they're metallic even till today. So shout out to young Morgan for always holding it down with the pink lips. And honestly, who cares what anybody says about your style, baby? You do whatever the hell you want. And if they keep saying, that doesn't look good, or ew, I don't like that, just ignore the bitches. $85 lip gloss, La Mer. You know La Mer is the holy grail on this channel. So like, you know what I mean? Peace, love, we'll pray to the La Mer gods. Like, you know how I am. So $85 lip gloss. I'm on Sephora.com. I want to read to you. You get 7 milliliters, 0.23 ounces of products. And I want to know what this product, I'm curious what they have to say about it. A serum strength lip treatment with natural shine helps protect and provide hydration while softening, smoothing, and plumping. The skincare concerns, because this is viewed as like a skincare product. It's not necessarily makeup, it's skincare. Loss of firmness and elasticity, fine lines, wrinkles, and dryness. And I'm talking on the lips, okay? This serum strength lip treatment helps soften, smooth, plump while protecting lips from future damage. The lips are particularly vulnerable to environmental aggressors, and this miracle broth infused, now remember, miracle broth, we want to, like, you know, we love the miracle broth. We want to bathe in the miracle broth. It's like La Mer's big secret to anti-aging. So like the miracle broth, yes please. The Miracle Broth infused treatment is formulated with antioxidants to hydrate lips and help reduce the appearance of fine lines over time. That's the key word that you have to pick up on. Over time. You're not going to apply this and your lips are going to, like, you know, reverse the signs of time. How to use? Use the seakelp inspired wands and its pillow plush applicator to apply as needed throughout the day. This non-sticky, multi-use lip treatment is perfect to use alone, layered over or under the lip balm, or as a primer before applying color. I'm gonna use this as a primer. I've always been using it on top. Just one swipe of this gorgeous treatment gloss and you'll realize why nothing less than La Mer will do. That's a strong like introduction. I really enjoyed that introduction. That really served the product and I live and breathe for that. Okay, so let's talk about packaging, because I did bring up the Miracle Broth seakelp wand, so we're gonna talk all about that. But this is, I believe, plastic. It's not glass. The whole thing is like an acrylic plastic, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't like that. This should be like really, really gorgeous frosted La Mer glass, like $85, like let's do it. But I know what La Mer is thinking. We put the money into the product itself, not the presentation. I mean, it serves its purpose in a way, but like not to the level that I think they could. But we're gonna open this, and it's like a swivelly little top here. And I'm really like want to show you this because like it's a lip gloss. Like how much can we talk about? You know what I mean? So, woo! And here is the doe foot applicator, or I'm sorry, the seakelp infused applicator. Girl, what are you talking about, La Mer? Girl, come on, that's not seakelp infused or seakelp inspired. Like, I see nothing different here. Girl, you served, but like, no, you talked a big game, but you didn't serve. Like, I don't understand what seakelp applicator, I made the doe foot. Maybe you're talking about this and it's supposed to look like a mermaid? I mean, can we get a little, like, what is this giving? Because it's not seakelp inspired. Sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna just do one swipe. Guys, I did, it looks like a little pinker on the top because I use it over lipsticks a lot too because the sheen is really nice. But I did run it underwater. I did scrub the applicator. So just so you guys know, it's just stained that color. But I took all my lip products off my lips so you guys can see it on my skin. So we're gonna just, and it says one swipe. So let me show you. I'll do two. Yeah, I'm gonna do this. What do you guys think? This is it. What do you guys think? It gives my lips a really nice shine. They look super hydrated. You do get like a tingy, minty, burning feeling on your lips, and I think that's due to like plumping your lips. But this just looks like on me, like my skin is very fair. So like, I have not seen this show up on my lips. Like if you want this for color, like you like the color in the tube and you want this, I don't recommend it for that. I really don't think this is technically supposed to be like a MAC lip gloss. You know how like MAC has these lip glosses that like have a lot of pigment in them? This, I don't think it does. I think it gives you like a nice, very, very light pearlescent sheen. Now, I do think that the deeper your skin tone goes, the more it will pop. But for me, it has done nothing in terms of color. I mean, I just look moisturized. I have used this product when I had chapped lips, and I've been using it. The only thing is I know they say it's like a great hydrator and everything, but I do like it and it's done the job, but it's by no means like something that I would always gravitate to as far as like chapped lips are concerned, because I just think like the menthol-y or that minty, burny feeling in it kind of makes me a little uncomfortable when my lips are really dry. Like I don't think this has significantly helped my lips with dryness, just because of like the tingling feeling from like the plumper. It just doesn't feel right. As far as anti-aging on my lips themselves, I have not noticed anything. I have not noticed anything drastic. Like I don't know why this is $85. Like I just don't. Like now I like it. Like standalone, like a cute little lip gloss, like yeah, like sure, you know what I mean? Like it's great. Do I think you could find this somewhere else? Like 110%. Of course they're gonna validate the price by saying, well, there's miraclebroth in it. And miraclebroth is like pretty much what you're paying for in terms of La Mer. So it hasn't done anything drastic for me, but let's put something over it. So they said we can use this as a primer. So I'm just gonna put my NARS liquid lipstick over it. It's Air Matte Lip Color, and the color is Chaser. So we're gonna put Chaser over my lips to see how this did as a primer. Oh wow, I have a lot of product on my lips. Oh god. So you can see the way this goes, it's like kind of patchy. Like I have a lot of excess above my lip. Like I feel like this underneath the lipstick could be a little thick and it can make things definitely glossier. Like this is supposed to be air matte, but it's not drying down matte because of the primer underneath from La Mer. I do see that this has altered this color and it's made it lighter on my lips, and I do like the color combo. And I actually like this as, I'm not gonna say a primer, although I will say my lips feel like water. Like they feel wet. They feel very hydrated. You have matte lipstick and you want a matte look, don't use this as a primer. I haven't noticed any like significant anti-aging effects from it. I haven't, everything's very like makeup based for me with this product. The skincare, I have not noticed it. And I just, truthfully, I don't think it's worth the money for what its claim is, because I just don't think it does what it claims its claim to do. I hope you enjoyed this video. If I disappointed you, I'm sorry, but you guys know I'm always here to spill the tea. I'm not here to like, you know, make stuff up like to get attention, like, because I just, no, why would I need to? I love you guys. I'll link this down below if you're interested. I'll try to link this down below too if you liked the color. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment and like and share with your friends and like do all this fun stuff. And I will see you soon. Love you. Bye.